Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. Today's yoga session is about the beginner's yoga. We'll be doing some yoga asanas and along with the breathing techniques. So if you find some of the asanas are difficult, then don't worry about that. Do as much as you can. Don't stress too much your body. So and if stress as much as you can be comfortable. Okay. We'll start our session with some breathing techniques. So for that, what we'll do, we'll first make the hand mudra. So what you have to do, you have the forefinger. You have to touch the tip of the forefinger to the thumb and straight the other three fingers. It's called Dhyana mudra. It is nothing but it's the mudra for our concentration or focus. Okay. Make the mudra on both the hands and put the hands on both the knees. Sit straight. Roll your shoulders and down. One more time. Roll your shoulders and down. Close your eyes and observe your breathing. Whether it's a slow or fast. Whether it is deep or shallow. Just observe. Now, inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. One more time. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now bring hands heart center in Namaste Mudra. I'm going to chant one mantra. So let's chant. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirascha vaidakena yopakarotam pravramunina patanjali pranjaliranatosmi abaho purushakaram shankhachakrasidharinam सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जले ॐ hands down. Bring the hands over the head. Now bring your left hand and put on the right knee and bring your right hand back and look towards your right shoulder. Slowly bring your right hand over the head, left hand also over the head. Next is right hand on your left knee and left hand goes back. Look to your left shoulder. Bring the Left hand over the head and right hand over the head. Next thing is, we are going to bring our right hand down little further than your body and then slowly bend and touch your elbow and forehand like this. And you can make a mudra if you like the Dhyan mudra again here. It's very good stretch for the left hand side of your body. Come to the center. Let's do the same thing on your left side. Left hand further up than your body part. Slowly bend at the elbow and do the Dhyan mudra. Keep normal breathing. Let's come up. Now the same thing we are going to do with the breathing. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down. Right hand down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Keep breathing. Okay, the next thing is, now you can bring your legs a little further like this. Try to touch the feet, okay, and hold at the near to the toes with your both hands. Make sure chest out, straight body, and let's do the butterfly pose, like up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's bring this leg a little further. It will create a diamond shape between the ankle and the knees and the body part. Okay, this will create a diagonal pose between the legs. Okay, now bring your hands over the head and slowly move forward. So when you move, don't like hunch. Instead of that, move from your back, spine, okay, lower back. So just as much as you can, like this is okay. You don't have to go down, otherwise you'll get hunch pose. Okay, so you have to move from the lower back like this. I'll show you by the side how it will look like. This will be a diagonal pose. Straight body, hands on head, and slowly move forward. Come back. Let's do one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Come back. Namaste. Okay. The next pose is like you have to straighten one leg and bring your right leg touching to your left thigh. Point the fingers for your left leg, okay, and hands over the head, and try to touch your toes. Okay, you can touch your toes. If you cannot, then you can go to the knee and just look forward. This is okay too. Or if you can, that if it is too easy, then you can hold a little further and look forward. One, two, three. Good. Now we are going to do the same thing for the other leg. Bring your right leg forward, bend your left leg, and try to touch the left leg to your right thigh. Okay, sit straight, the toes pointing up. Inhale, hands over the head. Exhale, look forward and hold the leg. You can hold the toes or you can hold the knee. Anything is fine. Hands over the head. Now straight the other leg also. Toes pointing up, straight, and slowly go down. Slowly come up. Bring the legs down, sit straight. Okay, good. Now we are going to go to the tabletop pose. For that, what you have to do, make sure your shoulder and your hand in one line, and your knee and hip in the one line, and like the legs or your toes are pointing outward. Okay, so this is perfect tabletop. We are going to do the cat and cow poses. So cat means inhale, and bend your back. This is called cat pose. Inhale, exhale, and cow pose. Look up. Inhale, cat pose. Exhale, cow. Let's do one more time. Inhale, cat. Exhale. This time, we are going to bring our right leg up. Okay. And move your right hand under the left hand and touch the shoulders to the ground. Okay. Bring the left hand up. Slowly down. Bring the right hand out and bring it up. Slowly down. How are you doing? Doing good? Good. Let's do it with our left hand now. Left hand up. Left hand under the right hand here. Touch your shoulder. And when you are comfortable, bring your right hand up. Good. slowly down. Bring your left hand out, go up and down. Okay. Now push your body backward, and we are going to sit between the foot. So let me show you like this. Make sure your toes are out, and when you push your body, push on the between this the feet. Okay. Let me do this direction now. Flat. You're on the tabletop and try to push body backward. If you want, you can bring the hands forward a little forward and breathe normally. It's called child pose.